Do you clean your scissor on a daily basis? We recommend you to clean your scissor after each working day with the Kaomis to ensure all products and hair have been removed. As a side effect, you micro-sharpen your edges when running the Kaomis along the edges. Oiling your scissor is properly the most essential thing to do. The chamomile oil will not just oil the scissor's center screw system, but also make the scissor runs more smoothly when operating it. We recommend to run the oil along the blade inside and outside, as this creates a tiny coating on your scissor steel and can prevent rust on your scissor blade. Do not use any other oils to your scissor. Adjusting your scissors tension. Hold your scissor at the thumb loop and let the scissor tip point to the ceiling. Then open the other blade so it sits horizontal. The blade should not move by themselves. Once you wobble your hand, the horizontal blade should start to move, but no more than halfway down.